Friends, I'm here at Vanderbilt Avenue and 42nd Street, right outside of Grand Central. Going to take a walk through Grand Central, take the subway to Queens, and right ahead there's the Chrysler Building. And we're standing under one Vanderbilt, one of the new super talls. Really can't get it in too close to it. Anyways, here we go into Grand Central. We're going to take a walk through. It's about I don't know, 10:20. So it's not too late, but we're well past rush hour. And this part of Vanderbilt Avenue is turned into like a pedestrian-only street, which is kind of nice. So this is the west end of Grand Central. And oh, yeah, that clock's not right. Or maybe it is. Maybe it's 11:15. Anyways, we're at the main concourse level. We will cut through and see what's going on. Yeah, it's 11:15. Okay. So right now there's one ticket window open, but there are ticketing machines, and you can buy tickets on the phone, and people have monthly passes too. And here's the famous clock above the information center. And then the escalators up to the former Pan Am building, now the MetLife building. So there's still a number of people here, but it's quieting down. Here we have the New Haven line departures, and the last one this evening will be at 1:53. And then the ones for the morning are already listed, the 5 o'clock trains and the 6 o'clock trains. Here are the ticketing machines for the railroad, and for the subway. You can get a subway ticket there. Yeah, pretty much everything's closed up. Station is closed from about 2 o'clock to 5 o'clock. They clean it. So we're at the mezzanine level of the IRT, the number lines 4, 5, 6, 7 in the Shuttle. It's Times Square. And we're heading down to the Flushing platform. So here we're at the Flushing platform. Get a train to Queens. And this train arriving is going to Hudson Yards. Will terminate. This is the 11-car train of R188 type equipment. These are built between 2005 and 2010. We have about 2 minutes to wait for the train to Queens to Flushing Main Street. So it's about 11:15, so there's still quite a few people here, and the next Flushing train is in 2 minutes. The one after that is in 7 minutes. 7 minutes. So they're still on a pretty quick headway. And after midnight, it goes down drastically. And after 1, it's like every 20 minutes. But right now, it's about every 5 minutes. Another Hudson Yard train in 5 minutes. We just had one, so great headways on this line. So friends, I'm going to end the video. Thanks for watching. If you liked it, please subscribe, like, and share. Okay. And for people planning on visiting New York, the 7 train is a great ride. You get to see a lot of things. It's above ground for most of its run. It goes to a lot of cool neighborhoods. Anyways, I'm going to get on now, friends. Thanks for watching. Have a great evening.